Solar Sprinter?
A solar sprinter is a solar education program during which middle school students learn about solar energy and other STEM fields of study by designing, building, and modeling a solar-powered car.
I want to do this because I've always had an interest in building stuff. I'm not very good at it, but I feel like it's a very good place to learn. So
I wanted to do this because I like engineering, and I thought it would be a good place to do this.
we're doing a solar sprint at our school, Unity Charter School, and the best 3 teams will go to another solar sprinter to go against other schools. My name is Jeremy. I'm 12. I'm from Canada. I'm currently living in Randolph, New Jersey.
My name is David. I'm 13 and currently live in Elizabeth, New Jersey. We're both in 7th grade, and our team name is Tucc 2.0. Some of the challenges we had while making our car was the motor was not biting. This was because we were too low to the ground. So we had to figure out how to make sure the axles and the car was higher from the ground. We did this by using Legos to drag the axle upwards.
Some of our successes that we had was our car was actually strong, so it wouldn't break easily if we crashed into something. The motor would work, we were meshing well, but when we put the solar panels in, things were getting harder.
We fixed this by redesigning the way we put our solar. All in all, it was a very fun project. We learned a lot about the engineering principles of
Aerodynamics, friction, and gear ratio. I had a lot of fun.
I had a lot of fun too, and we hope we'll be able to do this